Hello kids! Today we're going to talk about arthropods. They are part of the invertebrate animals because they do not have backbones. Arthropods are classified in three groups: insects like butterflies, arachnids like spiders, and crustaceans like crabs. Insects, they usually have two antennae, one and two antennae. They have 6 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And they usually have 4 wings, 1, 2, 3, 4 wings. But some insects do not have wings. Arachnids, they have 8 legs, like this spider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. And this scorpion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. Arachnids do not have antennae and do not have wings. Ew, I really don't like arachnids. Crustaceans, they have 2 antennaes, 1 and 2, and they have 10 legs. Imagine having 10 legs. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 legs. And they have a shell to protect their thorax. To conclude, remember that arthropods are divided in 3 groups: insects like butterflies and dragonflies, arachnids like spiders and scorpions, and crustaceans like crabs. Insects and crustaceans have 2 antennaes, but remember that their number of legs change. Insects have 6 legs, arachnids have 8 legs, and crustaceans have 10 legs. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you.